Alright, mates. I want you to see this. I want you to look here. At first glance, it looks like hot chocolate. It's not hot chocolate. This, my friends, is Pepsi and marshmallows. What the fuck? Pepsi and marshmallows. I shit you not. I wish I was joking about this. This is absolutely sickening. But yet, this is the kind of shit I've been dealing with lately. I think I've started a little bit of insomnia again, to where I can't sleep. So instead, I end up with shit like this. Go figure. It's not good. There's nothing good about it. That's where I am. The Bible says,